All those rumors regarding a more upscale, slimmer version of the Galaxy Fold 6? With the additional information we have today, the Z Fold 6 Ultra looks to be the phone that the Z Fold 6 ought to have been. Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Here, Sal, the Z Fold 6 is about to be unveiled at Samsung's massive Unpacked event, but according to rumors, another Fold 6 is in development and will only launch in China and South Korea. A rumor from a South Korean media site today claims it would have two larger screens, a large 8-inch inner panel and a 6.5-inch cover display, and be slimmer. Its improvements would make it more streamlined and larger than the standard Fold 6. Samsung has already made significant improvements to the Z Fold 6, but they're going one step further with what some are referring it as the Z Fold 6 Ultra or Slim. There is a cost, however. Samsung may have given up on S Pen support in order to have a slimmer profile. For those who like utilizing the S Pen with their Fold, the Slim version may not be suitable. This is when it starts to get interesting. Based on leaks, the Z Fold 6 Slim is expected to have more advanced specifications than the standard Fold 6. The specs are yet unknown, but some rumors point to cameras that could be better than the Fold 6. The Z Fold 6 Slim will undoubtedly cost more given all of these possible enhancements. It seems that Samsung may be putting thinness ahead of S Pen functionality and a high price tag. The current claim states that the slimmer Fold 6 will only be available in China and South Korea when it launches sometime in the fourth quarter of 2024. Hence, the Z Fold 6 remains your greatest option if you're looking for a new Samsung foldable device but don't live in those areas. But I'm curious about your thoughts. Suppose you could pick between these two foldables. Would you select the standard Fold 6 because it works with the S Pen? Or would you prefer the slim version with the larger displays and higher specs? Please tell me in the comments below. An employee who has been using the phone for training has provided us with our first evaluation of the Z Fold 6. What he stated is as follows. The phone feels thin, and its outside display makes it seem brand new. Samsung doesn't seem to have just enlarged the Fold 3 or Fold 5's outside screen. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.